Alamini and Chiumbo have been contesting for the Kenyan Ludo Championship for the past 2 years. This is the last competition before their final secondary school year, and neither of them is willing to let go of the title of the Ludo champion as they sit at the Ludo table. Alamini needs a total of 4 steps to win, while Chiumbo needs a total of 11 steps. The entire hall is tensed as everyone anticipates the winner. Now, can you tell me the probability of each of them getting the number of steps after the toss of the dice? This may seem a bit tricky, but not to worry. This is where the outcome table helps out. The outcome table displays the possible outcome of 2 events which are written in the first row and column respectively. Going back to our question, we draw out the outcome table and fill the first row with the possible outcomes of the first die, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. We also fill the first column with the possible outcomes of the second die, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Next, we fill the spaces by adding the numbers in the corresponding first row and column. For the second column, we have 1 plus 1, which is 2, 2 plus 1, which is 3, 3 plus 1, which is 4, 4 plus 1, which is 5, 5 plus 1, which is 6, and 6 plus 1, which is 7. For the next column, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next column contains the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The fifth column contains 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Can you fill the last 2 columns? Remember, you simply add the numbers in the corresponding first row and column. You should have this table. Let's count the number of possible outcomes. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. Therefore, there are 36 possible outcomes. Hence, the probability that Alamini gets a 4 after tossing the dice is 3 over 36, which is equal to 1 over 12. This is because the number of required outcomes for a 4 is 3, while the probability that Chiumbo gets 11 after tossing the dice once is 2 over 36, which is the same as 1 over 18. What is the probability that Chiumbo gets a number that is divisible by 3? To answer this question, we need to know how many of the outcomes are divisible by 3. There are 12 of them. Hence, the probability that he gets a number that is divisible by 3 is 12 over 36, which is 1 over 3. And that is it. Just remember that whenever you are faced with 2 events occurring at the same time, you can make use of an outcome table. You simply fill the first column with one event and the first row with the other event. Keep practicing.